Welcome back. For those of you who have just joined us, here are the headlines.
So, the city finally went into the polls today. Let's take a look at what Bangalore expects out of these BBMP elections.
The BBMP elections went online this time. Bangaloreans logged on to the official website to vote for issues they said needed immediate attention. Topping the list were the traffic and transportation woes, with 76% voters giving it top priority. A close second were the water and sanitation issues across the city. Our channel has been bringing you coverage of these problems through the week. With all the metro work happening in the city, it is no surprise then that environment and public places comes in third as the most pressing need of the hour. We spoke with some Bangaloreans on voting day.
Parking problem should be the major, the government should concentrate.
Transport nowadays, it's very big problem in this Bangalore city. Mainly in the peak hours, the traffic get jams.
There should be water supply, good water supply and clean water supply.
कहाँ भी जाओ जल्दी जाने के लिए घंटे लगता है हम लोग को
ಒಂದು 10 ನಿಮಿಷನಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗೋ ಜಾಗಕ್ಕೆ 1 ಅವರ್ ಆಗ್ತದೆ जो 90 में जो हम 5 मिनट में सिटी को जाते थे अब जाने में 1 घंटा पड़ता है.
Bus frequency was low in the city due to the BBMP elections. Our reporter Akanksha Goswami has this report.
Traffic scene in the city was very different today, unlike any other regular day. The frequency of the buses were low and public faced inconvenience.
I regularly travel by bus, but today due to some election there are no buses and I'm been waiting for 1 hour's time for a Vijayanagar bus, but I'm not getting it. Even auto people are demanding for money, more money.
रेंजर्स मतलब ज़्यादा बसेस ऑपरेट नहीं होते इलेक्शन को जाके है ना इसलिए 50% कम होकर है इधर.
In case traffic is more, we will divert the vehicles and send them through different way.
Celebrities add that required glamour to the rather sober process of voting. Let's take a look at who came to exercise their vote today in Bangalore.
Despite all the hype and publicity surrounding the BBMP elections, what polling day lacked was the celebrity quotient. While Girish Kasravalli, well-known filmmaker, did not find his name on the voters list again, older Bangaloreans like Prasad Bidappa, Ramchandra Guha, U.R. Ananthamurthy were out of station. Actresses like Pooja Gandhi and Bhavna Rao had not signed up for the elections. Some of our reporters went out into the city to catch those few faces that did turn up on polling day. Let's take a look at what they had to say.
I see this as the beginning of the end of BJP rule in Karnataka.
Not a very elegant design.
If you don't vote in this election, do not complain when the flooding starts happening soon. Do not complain about bad roads. Do not complain about anything, because you have abdicated your right to discuss things in a local democracy.
I know that government of the day in the state wanted these elections to be put off. They didn't want an election now. But I think the courts, the High Court, the Supreme Court have to be thanked for giving an opportunity for the citizens of Bangalore to exercise their franchise, which is their right as well as an obligation.
That was star-studded indeed. With that, we come to an end of our special election coverage. Votes will be tallied on 5th of April 2010. Till then, we'll have to wait and see who emerges victorious.
Thank you for watching our special election coverage. Good night.